Charlie 1.
It was 5 Charlie, they were cleared independent visual approach. Top below glide path, runway 34 left.
Clear visual approach level 3 for left, Emirates 5 Charlie 1.
Crossing 974, turn right, heading 300, join final, runway 34 right, from that heading cleared, independent visual approach.
300,
Crossing 974, not below 1,800 until on the Peppy.
not below 1,800 until on the Peppy, no problem. Direct Ticket A, ambulance 217, heading 150, 6,000, visual 34 right.
Emirates 217, direct to descend to 5,000, you have 25 to run.
5,000, ambulance 217.
Class 547, turn right, heading 180, descend to 2,000.
Right, heading 180, descend to 2000, class 547.
Emirates 217, descend to 2,000.
2,000, ambulance 217.
Malaysia 141, descend to 2000.
Descend 2000, Malaysian 141.
Malaysia 141, turn left heading 360, intercept localizer, runway 34 left, report wind visual.
Left heading 360, intercept localizer 34 left and local Malaysian 141.
Direct Ticket A, velocity 1354, and descend 6,000, runway 34 left and side.
Lots 34 to go, descend to 3025 to run.
Descend 3,000, velocity 1354.
Class 547, turn right, heading 250.
Right, heading 250, class 547.
Malaysian 141, visual.
Malaysia 141, cleared independent visual approach, runway 34 left, dot below glide path.
Malaysian 141, cleared for the IDA, runway 34 left.
Class 547, turn right, heading 300, join final, runway 34 right, from the heading cleared, independent visual approach.
Turn right heading 300, from the heading join final, cleared independent visual approach, class 547.
City Director, good evening, Killing 228, heading 110, maintaining 6,000, runway 34 right and side.
Killing 228, direct to descend to 4,000, 25 to run.
Descend 4,000, leaving 6,000, Killing 228.
Killing 228, turn right, heading 140.
Right heading 140, Killing 228.
Emirates 217, turn right, heading 250.
Right heading 250, ambulance 217.
Class 547, request heading 295, just
Class 547, play heading 295 to join final.
flying 295, class 547. North 3054, traffic joining, runway right ahead is a Super King Air.
Heading 30,
There's two, there's one in your about 11 o'clock and there's one in your 12:30.
Malaysian 141, vacate left taxiway Alpha 2.
Left Alpha 2, Malaysian 141.
Yeah, good day, velocity 1354.
Malaysian 141, contact ground on 126, decimal 5.
1265, Malaysian 141, change.
Sorry, good day, Rex 681 ready. Rex 681, Sunita.
25 Golf, International 5, Bay 32, Malaysian 141.
Qantas 163, cross runway 25, taxi Bravo 10, hold short Sierra.
125, taxi Bravo 10, hold short Sierra, class 163.
Qantas 163 on Bravo 10, contact tower 124, decimal 7.
Bravo 10, 124, decimal 7, Qantas 163, good night.